Hi, it's Amara, and you're watching. I'm sewing and sewing and sewing and cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting patterns. This is the third one, and I just decided to use my old shirt, big shirt pattern that I used to sew this shirt. So I decided to use that particular pattern to make the coat and then add a part for lapel. I added the length because I want the coat to be very long. So this is how it looks like, and I'm going to end because I've used almost all of my lining on mistakes. I'm going to use this particular material for lining, so it gives it this expensive look. It's a silk material. I wanted to use it to sew a gown, but I'll just use it for the lining. So that is what I'm about to do now.
Thousands of tears later.
The thing about God is that God is good. Honestly, I'm not yet done. I feel like making a lining for my lining, because this is my lining. I don't know how to explain. This gives a more richer vibe than the black. I don't know how to explain. This is the lining. Let's not forget. It's the inner coat of my coats, and I feel like making a lining for my lining. I'm like, God is good, because the first one was not okay, was looking very cheap, and this one just gives me that vibe. Although this is the lapel, this part I'm wearing it backward. Let me show you how it's supposed to look like. Vastly, this is how it's supposed to be. This is the lapel side. It's supposed to like come out like this, and I really love it. This is how the line is going to look like inside. I don't know if you can see. It's supposed to look like this inside.
Later.
So I'm done making the lining. This is how it looks like. Now it's time to make the actual 4 coats.
"20 minutes later."
So this is it. This is how it looks like. This is the length that I went for, and I kind of made it a 2-way coat. Let me show you how it looks like the inside when it's in out. So this is how it looks like when I turn it inside out. I had to make sure that the finishing was very perfect, so you don't see where I joined that. It's so neat that I can wear it like this. I even prefer it like this. Do you understand? I prefer it like this to the original form, because it just gives, I don't know how to explain. I don't know, but like I like how it looks like on me when it's inside out.
The next day.
Back with this. So I just had, because it's a photo shoot I'm using this for, and I was like, you know what if I make a bikini top inside this and then a short skirt? The skirt's not going to give me an issue, but the problem is that I've never made a bra before in my life. So this is my first attempt at making a bra. It is super tiny. Like, I don't know if you can see, but it's super tiny, and there's literally little to no coverage. I want it to be covered, okay, like covered a bit, but although I get the vibe, I'm going to use the animal skin here to sew the bra, but I'm still getting a hang of it, and honestly it's giving me a tough time. How it looks like, everything 10 out of 10.
Several days later.
So I want to start packing my bag for the photo shoot, using this tiny hand carry bag to pack the things that I'm going to be using for the photo shoot. So I made this belt for this skirt because I did not want it to be too plain. A friend advised me to make a belt, and I'm just going to tie it like so, kind of like one side. The skirt is black, so this is going to add the touch of that color. So I'm going to tie it like so on the skirt. Doing my makeup from home. I'm done packing the bags, so I'll do my makeup from home. And the little I'm going to carry that day is just things I'll use to set my face properly.
4 to 6 weeks later.
So I'm done with my makeup. I wanted to go with the pink lips, the red lips because of my nails, and the red shoes that I'm wearing. And this is a very funny way of wearing a cap. I don't want my makeup to be messed with. And I've packed my bags. So see you there. I'm grateful that I took the pictures. The guy that took my pictures, I think he's an apprentice, I don't know, but he was very nice. He was very accommodating. He posed like this, do like this, yeah, that kind of thing. It was really nice. I really am grateful for him. And okay, yes, I think we're rounding up for the shoot. This elderly lady did not open, so I think she saw me and she was like, Mommy, please, so I'm a good girl. This is just photo shoot. But yeah, it was okay. And the picture did not come out exactly how I wanted it to. This was the inspo, but I'm really glad. I love how my pictures turned out. If you want to see, you can check my Instagram here and see the pictures yourself. I'm really proud of myself for completing this project. I overplan a lot. I think I started planning for this shoot July it was supposed to be my birthday shoot, but guess what? We're in October and I finally did it. July, August, September, 3 months. I'm actually 3 months. I post this video, even if I don't get views, I will still be very proud of myself because I have completed a video. So yeah, I really love the fact that I actually saw it through, and God is good. Oh, I'm on my period now, so I was having cramps, but fortunately the cramps did not start until after the shoot. Then I started having cramps. I was so grateful to God that the cramps started after the shoot because I was not ready to deal. Then I got food. I got myself spaghetti and fried chicken. And anytime I go out to buy anything eatable, I always get shawarma. I love shawarma. And I love spaghetti. I don't think anybody can ever go wrong with spaghetti. By the way, proud of me. I'm proud of myself. I'm going to take off my makeup. I was supposed to make short videos for my TikTok and Instagram, but I forgot. Okay, the truth is I forgot, because it's normally transitions that I do, but I forgot to, make videos before I did my makeup and dress to go there. But it's okay. There are other opportunities. Opportunities does not come but once. That opportunity comes but once. But opportunity does not come but once. Multiple opportunities, a lot will still come, but that particular opportunity will come but once. Now I have missed this particular opportunity to shoot this look, but I have learned a lot while doing my makeup. So I'm really proud of myself. I would implement it next time. Alex, take off my makeup and eat. Bye. Love you.